So if you are someone like me who uses concealer and skip the foundation, then this video is for you. You should watch this video till the very end. So apply the concealer. Merging this, you can use beauty blender or brush. I'm going to use the tip of my finger. The main problem of using only concealer is the color difference. ये एरिया थोड़ा येलोइश टाइप का है और यहाँ मैंने कोई कंसीलर नहीं अप्लाई किया, तो यहाँ पे कोई भी कलर नहीं है. To remove this effect, you should use some concealer on this part also and then blend it with beauty blender. The color difference is clearly removed. Now the last step is to use translucent powder. It removes any creasing effects. So my makeup base is ready with only using concealer. It's very quick and easy and ideal for the days when you do not want full face makeup but also want some coverage. So if you like these tips, then please subscribe to my channel and bye bye.